Now the Oneplus 6T comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor, and that's actually a really up-to-date good processor for gaming. So if you do play games on the phone, it does work flawlessly, but there's also a nice additional gaming mode that OnePlus has put in to kind of optimize the phone for games. So you can actually adjust the gaming mode settings by going into settings, and then you're going to go into utilities again. And then from here, you have the gaming mode access here. So it optimizes for gaming modes. You can actually put apps that automatically turn on your gaming mode, and you can set different options and settings for the gaming mode itself. And again, it just really optimizes the phone whenever you're actually playing a game on it. It's automatic, so you don't have to worry about it. And when you're backing out of the game, then it just goes back to regular mode. So this is actually a really great option for phone gamers. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. It's going to do it for another video in our OnePlus 6T Pro user guide series, where we show you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features and benefits that this great phone has to offer. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please support the channel by sharing our content and also sharing your thoughts, opinions, and any questions you may have about this phone in the comment section down below. Again, we're showing you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features of this great phone you either own or are planning to buy. And also, don't forget to check out some of the other videos we've done about the OnePlus 6T. It gives you a full rounded experience of what to expect if you're again going to purchase this phone soon, or if you currently own it. It shows you how to take full advantage of all its features. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. If you're not already a part of our community, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share any thoughts and comments or questions you have in the comment section below the video. And until next time,